What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming out with another tutorial in Python for non-programmers. So we are going to be talking about tonight about booleans and a little bit of if statements. Okay, because they kind of go hand in hand just to do the explanation for the booleans. So far we saw three types of variables. We have seen integers, floats, strings, and now we're going to see booleans. All right. So what is a boolean? Boolean it's either false or true or false. There is nothing else that you can do this. So for example, let's just give it a name. Lights lights on equals to, in here you gotta use false or you can use true, right? Because if you use just double quotes and then you do false, it will just represent just as regular value for the variable lights on. Because if you print it, we'll just print that, right? Print. Let's do lights on. It should print that, but that's where I'm not looking. See, it's just right here. So let's get rid of that. So we don't need that because when you do booleans, it's no double quotes, no single quote. It's either false or true. Let's start true. True. Okay. Now right here, how can we do an example with this? So lights on. Let's just do an if statement. If space and then lights on, colon, and then right here you're going to use a print. Go to the double quotes, lights are on. So we print this, it should give us, because lights are on, the value right here is what is true, right? So if lights on, print this. If that's true, it will print this. Okay, let's do that. Let's print it. Lights on right here, see? Cool. What about if we do false? False, do you think we're printing something? Let's see it. There's nothing. Not right here because it's false. Right? Now, one thing I wanna do an observation right here. If you do another statement, lights are cool. Let's print that. Oh yeah, let's change this back to true. So in the way, oh man, what's wrong there? Back to true. So we got the two statements right here. Lights are on, lights are cool, right? So which is good. So now make sure when you're doing the if statement, you gotta use your tab and just do double tap and just come all the way over here where it is. Because if you don't do that, for example, this one, if you say light is false, it shouldn't print anything, right? Let's see what's going to happen. See, it still prints this last one right here because it doesn't read that anymore. So you gotta make sure that it has to be inside the if statement. Just gotta double tap it and then it should be good. All right, so that was a very short tutorial. Like I said, it's all simple, easy to understand, so you guys can follow it, and then you can go into the more advanced stuff, you know. All right, thanks guys. Have a good night, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's keep growing. Let's keep growing this fan base and this channel. Okay, thanks. Have a good night. Okay, bye bye.